Right, so Google Messages just got the customization feature iPhone people have had for ages. Every chat can now have its own color and its own wallpaper, different for each conversation. I'll show you how to do both in about 2 minutes. The old menu used to be change colors, that's gone. It's now called chat theme and it does two things. You pick a color palette for the chat bubbles and you pick a wallpaper for the background. Only you see the changes, nothing changes for the person you're talking to. So open a chat, any chat, tap the three dots in the top right, tap chat theme. First page you land on is the colors. 9 or 10 palettes, tap one and you'll see the chat bubbles at the top change so you can preview. Hit apply when you like it. For the wallpaper, same menu, scroll down. Google gives you 9 collections: animals, architecture, black and white, cityscapes, landscapes, macro, space, sunsets, textures. Tap up a collection, pick a photo and preview it behind the bubbles, or hit upload photo at the top and use any picture from your gallery. The best bit, every chat's separate. Give your mum a landscape wallpaper, work chat plain and boring, best mate one of your own photos, group chats too, different theme every single conversation. Your inbox stops being one long wall of white. Rolling out on Google Messages right now, but it's a slow one. If you don't see it yet, update from the Play Store and give it a few days.